In this video, you'll learn how to make $25 daily on your Binance exchange using the P2P trading feature. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to effectively utilize the platform for consistent earnings. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, locate the P2P section, which can typically be found in the main menu. This area is specifically designed for peer-to-peer trading, allowing you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with other users. Take some time to analyze the buy and sell prices available in your local market. Look for price spreads that are consistent, as these will help you identify potential profit opportunities. Keep in mind that profits are not guaranteed every day, and factors such as fees and timing can significantly affect your results. This analysis is crucial for building your trading awareness. Next, execute small and consistent trades to minimize your risk exposure. Start by purchasing small amounts of cryptocurrency at lower prices and then aim to sell them slightly higher. It is advisable to use trusted payment methods to ensure secure transactions. Avoid the temptation to overtrade, as this can lead to unnecessary losses. Keep track of the profit you make from each transaction, as focusing on volume and consistency is key to this strategy. By maintaining a disciplined approach, you can develop a sustainable trading routine that works for you. After establishing a trading pattern, it's important to control your risk and scale your operations carefully. Set daily profit goals that are realistic and achievable. Avoid making emotional decisions based on market fluctuations, as this can lead to impulsive actions. Monitor any disputes or delays that arise during transactions, as they can impact your overall trading experience. Adjust your pricing based on market demand to remain competitive. Keeping detailed transaction records will help you analyze your performance over time. Only consider scaling your trades after you've experienced consistent success with your current strategy. As you progress, remember that the P2P market can be volatile, and it's essential to stay informed about market trends. Continuously educate yourself about the cryptocurrency landscape and adapt your strategies accordingly. Engaging with community forums or trading groups can provide additional insights and help you refine your approach. By staying proactive, you can enhance your chances of achieving your daily profit goals on Binance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.